If you own a bass raider, you've probably walked out after a rainstorm and found something that looks like this. Used to, I'd grab a cup and a sponge and start bailing water out. Then morning I walked by the boat and had one of those light bulb moments. Why am I bailing water out of the boat by hand when I can delegate that job to somebody that'll do it for free? Now don't get me wrong, this works, but when you got a lot of water in the boat, it gets old pretty quick. Especially when you realize there's a way that's so much simpler. Now this is about as old school as it gets. Once you get the water flowing, gravity takes over from there. No batteries, no modifications, no pumps, no drilling holes. Just a hose and a little patience. I said hose. The Bass Raider is actually a great candidate for this because most of the water collects in a few certain channels. So if you park on a hill, all the water will run to the back or the front, whichever way you park it. And then you just siphon from that end. Once the siphon gets started, you can walk away and go get all your equipment ready for your fishing trip or your backwater adventure. Now here's something else I've been doing. These little cup holders and storage pockets always hold water. They don't drain out with the rest of the water in the boat. So I said, hey, if it works, it works. And I made miniature siphons. I added 2 1/4-inch nuts to one end of each small hose so it sinks straight to the bottom and holds it in place. Looks frickin' ridiculous and works like a charm. Very shortly, I'm going to install a scupper drain and plug in the back of this boat. But until then, this is the easiest way I've found to get the rainwater out. I just wish I'd have thought of it sooner. Sometimes the best solution ain't a new gadget. Sometimes it's just an old idea that still works. When I add the scupper hole to this boat, I'm going to do something a little different than most folks, and I think it'll add quality to the install. So if you want to see what I do to improve the scupper hole mount, hit subscribe and that notification bell. That way you'll know when it's uploaded.